How to turn on useless data for calls on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off useless data for calls on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and click these 3 points in the top corner, and here you will find settings, and then click storage and data, and here you will find this one, useless data for calls. Just click on it if you want to turn it on, and as you see, useless data for calls have been turned on. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.